In today's video, we are going to be analyzing a problem on equilibrium of forces, so I'll urge you to watch to the end. I am a situational scientist, and my goal is simple: to make math and physics easier and accessible to everyone with animation. So, endeavor to follow, like this video, share the video, also let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And in case you need tutorials or assignments, you can feel free to contact me. You can send me an email or in direct message, and I'll respond to you as soon as possible. So, without no wasting of time, let's check it out together. The diagram clearly illustrates three forces acting on an object at a point O. If the object is in equilibrium, determine the magnitude of the force P. We are asked to determine the magnitude of the force P. So now, following the triangle law of vectors, we can see that it forms a triangle, right? Because there are three forces which are going in three different directions. So we have F, we have P, and we have 10 Newton. And the angle inclined to the horizontal is 30 degrees. So now we are asked to calculate the magnitude of the force P. What do we do in this case? We apply trigonometric ratios on this. Using the SOHCAHTOA method, sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Yes, opposite over hypotenuse. That is to say sine 30 degrees will be equal to 10 divided by P. And making P set to the formula, P will be equal to 10 divided by sine 30 degrees. So therefore, P will be equal to 10 divided by 0.5. If you know your trigonometric values very well, you should know that sine 30 degrees is always 0.5 or 1 over 2. So therefore, the value for P, the magnitude of force P is 20 Newton. So this brings us to the end of the video. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also follow me for more. I'll see you in the next one.